For today's video, magluluto tayo ng pork steak. Tara, luto tayo! Hello beautiful people! It's me again, Leah Williams from Dan and Leah TV. Kumusta po kayong lahat? We would like to welcome you to our YouTube channel. It's all about our lifestyle and adventure bilang mag-asawa dito sa Canada. Hope you guys subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time may bago kaming uploads. Please do like, comment, and share kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video na to. So for today's video, magluluto po tayo ng isang Filipino dish. So basically, yung pong aking mga recipe na isi-share sa inyo at Lia'S Kitchen, dishes po na pine-prepare ko po para kay Dan. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng pork steak. Tara, magluto tayo! And for our ingredients, we need pork chop, soy sauce, oyster sauce, lemon, garlic, onion, chili, optional, salt and pepper to taste. Okay guys, let's marinate our pork with salt, pepper, lemon, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Let's turn on our stove into a medium heat and then lagay na tayo ng cooking oil. And then, i-caramelize na natin yung ating onions. And then, after that, tanggalin natin yung onions. And then, now, i-pan fry na natin yung pork chops. And then, kapag nag-golden brown na ang ating mga pork chops, lagay na natin yung ating garlic. And then, after 2 minutes, lagay na natin yung onions na chinap natin. So, after 2 minutes, luto na yung onions natin. Pwede na nating ilagay yung marinade juice. Ito yung pinagbabara na ng pork chops natin. And then, we can put some water. And then, let it simmer like for 30 minutes. Pero, mas mahina na yung temperature ng stove. Nasa medium-low heat na tayo. And then, after 30 minutes, eto na siya. We're almost done. We can put our chili. Optional to kung gusto niyo na medyo maanghang. And then, isunod na natin yung ating caramelized onion for garnishing. And we're done. And this is our finished product, our pork steak. A very simple homemade recipe na pwede nating i-try sa ating mga kitchen. And then now, it's tiki man time.
Delicious, baby. Thank you so much. Tasty and tender. I love it. Look at this, guys. I'm so spoiled. Masarap.
Masarap. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share.
What's your Tagalog word?
My Tagalog word was just masarap.
No,
it's let me see here. Salamat sa masarap na hapunan. It's a big meal for lunch, but it's so good. Thank you.
Okay.
I love it.
Okay, bye.
Bye, everybody.